Hi guys, Jack here. So today I'm going to be talking to you about hybrid work environments. So over the last 18 months, with the rise of the pandemic and the rise of remote working, it's very likely that a lot of these new habits are here to stay. So this is now a really big factor in recruitment. So the real question is, how do we achieve the flexible working that everyone is now looking for? A brilliant way to be able to enable hybrid collaboration is through Microsoft Teams. And more specifically, the ability to be able to use the collaboration platform to communicate with users regardless of whether or not you're in the office, at home, or in a coffee shop, because the ability to have things like presence management, where you can see whether or not someone's available, busy, or in a meeting, really changes the fact that you don't need to be in the office to know whether or not someone's busy or can have a conversation with you. And so what we've found is that having the ability to use live documents to collaborate at the same time replaces that traditional requirement to need an office. And the ability to have that link to your telephony system so that you can use mobile devices inside Teams to be able to call on your mobile device or be in the office to be able to stream a meeting. This is a really game-changing way to be able to use Microsoft 365 as a true hybrid platform. With the rise of the modern workplace and people working remotely and in the office, it's often difficult to track when people are actually in the office and when they're not. And a really simple fix for this is using Microsoft Power Platform to be able to create things like a simple app to book desks for users and understand when people are in the office and when they're not. With the rise of hybrid working and people working remotely, a challenge that we often hear is that it's very difficult to get hardware out to new users. With Microsoft 365, you can have mobile device management that allows you to be able to provision devices to new users, regardless of the location, so that they can work with all of the latest apps and software straight out of the box. And this is all done completely securely because the Microsoft 365 ecosystem is installed right from the start. So that's everything from me today on how to create a hybrid workplace. Be sure to vote on the next poll that we're going to release so that we can understand where we can give you some more tips and tricks. Thanks guys.